Today I'm making a simple Kerala style beef roast. First cut the beef into small pieces and wash it thoroughly. Marinate it with chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, meat masala, pepper powder and salt. Mix very well and keep it aside. Then heat oil in a pan and splutter mustard seeds. Add curry leaves, red chillies, green chilli, and sliced onions. Saute until golden. Next, add some ginger garlic paste and saute till aromatic. Then add the marinated beef and mix it well. I also add a little bit of curd for a mild tang. Cover and cook until the beef is soft, stirring in between. Open the lid and roast till dry and beef is nicely coated with the spices. Serve it hot and enjoy with the rice or chapati or parota.